Okay everyone, in this video I'm going to be showing you how you can turn off the HEIC format whenever you're taking a photo. You probably noticed that you go ahead and open up the camera, you snap a picture of whatever is in front of you, and then when you just move the photo over to a computer or somewhere else, you're going to notice that there's this weird HEIC format. So what you can do to fix it or to turn it off is to open up these settings and scroll down all the way to the bottom until you find the camera section right here. So you click on the camera right there, and what you need to do is to tap on the format. So click on formats, and a camera capture is at the top, and it basically shows you high efficiency versus most compatible. Now this is the main stuff. If you have it set to high efficiency, it basically is gonna be the HEIC format because it literally stands for high efficiency. You have the little description there under it: to reduce file size, capture photos and videos in the high efficiency format. Most compatible, we use JPEG. So you can see most compatible will use JPEG. So if you switch to that, your photos will now going to be in JPEG, and this is, as the title suggests, most compatible format, meaning that any computer, any phone, and basically any device can read JPEG formats as long as it can read photos. So this is how you can switch it, and turning off HEIC is just switching to most compatible. But the photos that already have or are already captured in HEIC can be transferred over, or can be or switched to a different ending. So let me just show it to you right now. So if you just convert them from converter HEIC to JPEG, you can literally just look it up in Google, and there are going to be plenty of websites which are going to just show it to you. So there's literally first one like this. So you can just click on it, and you're going to upload your HEIC photos to this page with the plus button. It's much better to do it on a computer, of course, and you will then be able to download them in JPEG. So you can use this additional service to get your original photos in a different format in case you really wanted to. But that's basically how you can turn it off. Now, the next thing I want to show you is the Foxtecc educational platform, which you can join for free. It's linked down below in the description. And the reason it exists is because nobody is using their iPhone to the full potential. And that's what I'm trying to change with these courses and in-depth iPhone guides. Many different things to watch here. Everything is accessible freely. So go ahead and do it right now, and I will see you inside. For now, thanks a lot for watching. I will catch you in the next Foxtecc tutorials.